Yo, what up? If you've been working from home for quite a while, you may want to look into getting a sitting standing desk. Check it out. Couple of pretty big packages here, but as you can see, work and move desk at home. It's in pure white and it's from Bakker Elkhuizen. I think I've pronounced that correctly. They're Dutch. Links will be down in the description box below. But you can see we've got the legs in this second package here for the centers there. And it's pretty heavy, this is saying. 15 kilograms, uses gas springs, and is height adjustable. And through the wonders of the internet, it's already built. It's quite straightforward to put together. Nothing major. Most of the tools are supplied, and all you need extra is one Phillips head screwdriver. Underneath the thing, you've got steel legs. These don't have casters. These have a rubber feet, so you should not have uneven rocking on the desk when you got this around. So it should be good for hardwood floors as well as carpet. Pressured legs on each side going up to meet the desk, as you can see that side as well. And along this side you can see the handle that I've mounted here. There is a cable which goes right the way through to this strut here, and then the other cable that goes all the way across to that strut there. And then on top of those you've got the steel frame which is screwed to the bottom of the desk. First impressions, it's a sturdy, strong desk, and I wanted to get it out of its box because the box was pretty big before I moved it along to its final destination. Just be careful with the packaging. As you can see here, there's a little bit of a chip in the top right hand corner, which is my fault because I dropped the box while I was moving it around just after it was delivered. Plenty of space. We're going to ignore the rat's nest of wires just underneath, as this is not the final location here, so I'll tidy those up later. The desk in its lowest setting comes in at 73.5 centimeters, around about 29 inches off the ground. In its highest setting, the desk is around about 113 centimeters or 44.5 inches. It's around 18 millimeters thick, and we've mentioned it's 120 centimeters in length by 70 centimeters in width. The only slight reservation I have about this desk is the fact that if it's been standing still at the same height for a period of time and the weight has shifted depending on how you have your setup, if the gas struts are not completely in line, it won't move. So if they're slightly off, it won't move at all. So if I press the handle now, you can see it's not going up. And if I hold it from the side and give it a little bit of a jiggle while holding the handle, there we go. Now it goes up. Similarly, when it's at its high setting, if I press the handle, it does nothing. I have to apply pressure at the center of the desk for it to go back down. But again, to go back up, if I press the handle, it does nothing because the gas struts, I guess, aren't aligned fully. So if I give it a little bit of a jiggle, it'll go to the required height. So just give it a little bit of a jiggle. The other thing that I'll mention here is if you're using your desk in the lowest height format like I am here, so you're sitting down and you've got a chair with armrests, the armrest along the right hand side has got a habit of hitting the handle along the right hand side depending on how far you push yourself underneath your desk. I'm okay with it because I don't sit terribly close, but if it is an issue, all you need to do is raise the height of the desk. First of all, the monitors. We've got two Dell 27-inch professional productivity monitors here. I can't even remember the name of this mouse. It's a Logitech MX Master 3. We've got a Dell XPS 15 with a red carbon skin. We've got a Pixel 6. We've got some Sony XM4 headphones, and we've got a Dell docking station. Sick. As ever, links will be down in the description box below. So there we have it. That's a strong, well-built, sitting, standing desk. As ever, thanks for watching. Have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time.